NOTE-Otumfuo Osei TuTu, the second official name that has been chosen for the newly constructed, the newly built 7,000 capacity that is hall in Manhyia. Oko piemu Manhyia de asabra no kase de wa hwe screen so ase de si twego no FA pa. Aha nye ho David. Yo hu no screen so no enye ho no. Na oko piemu wa Ghana asabra no kase obi e ka ho asem. Se na ho be na Osei TuTu otosu mienu opem so asi yesi e fa FA enu ana hu no screen so na ebo na make house the biggest credit goes to opem so radio so we obi a we akani ba na say unsubscribe to opem so radio and na say unti opem so radio 104.7 na den na wotwen etwagu no na make house obetumi follow me on Facebook, obetumi follow me on Instagram, obetumi follow me also here on also on YouTube. Send be update ni nyina na be to ho ano obetumi de bibia so ayede ama wo hwe o screen so ade ADF. As a make and the grano. I come in because looking at these things and look at the reflections of the camera, the angles of the project. Baby F, we had the glasses, not to say a portable one. When you alumi, and you alumi the AB, and you to bubu kakrep, they've been I think say we be bulletproof bisano. Yeah, Osha the design, no, say the sisi no entrance no. Now here they will say Asante flag, that is the yellow, the black, and the green, and so tiles get to everyone. It is what to say, the Osei TuTu, the second Jubilee Hall, BSC, will Kumasi, a home command, there's a Busianona, a Chegu, a screen is no. So, person who PM Hobia, Obia, invited, Obia bet me alcohol, Casa Asante and Bio for Asanteman, Oji Tum or Kumam so Asante, Uda Asante, you are an Asante is not a description. I describe your amount for more who could do with me conjidia was a modia. Inti Obia was hard to me, Bibian, you are definitely an Asante. Now, there show ho na make how say a home father atade also with me to copy mu ho nom no enye atade bi te said atade atuntum wo mu allowed for colorful ones atuntum nim we me afa color bi a bia but make sure say no atare a de copy mu ho nom no tuntum enso enim na bibia nso entimi enye kama say na me catch odo ho ya etwagu e wo screen so fefe 7,000 that is capacity e bet me afa nipa mako 7,000 also most of the meetings most of the no ma ye share mu die no enye dwabod no ma no Asante most of the times zero okoye no the Great Hall KNUST na o hwe KNUST the Great Hall ne kakraka no a we no mako to say Great Hall KNUST no mako 3 and ya kan bom and ye just this na say TuTu otoso me no ne ho ya hu no screen is 3 in 1. I tell you very large na me jamo na mako the video no make catch mo say na make kai mo so say me the update no day in and day out and the day be ambrɛ mo e wa hane the first time I hear me I don't forget me jawa me akwa video no don't forget say obe subscribe to this channel, like this video, share and the most important aspect share now near be onusu onya bi jamo yanko here. Let's go and enjoy the beautiful Asante TuTu the second Jubilee. And my refi uko na. In fact, I dare tuntum wo so enkopi mu ewo eho.
K1 boy Juma we dey Jacob. So now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic. So you see commentary news in the bar. So you see commentary for home so good. Keep on going.
I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter, sports presenter that they are. And maybe I will question free a bit. It's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1 modern. K1 will try pa.
Asante, Asanteman, the golden stool. Our more paramount stools in Bono is in a half than any stool in this country.
The Asante. Our more paramount chiefs.
The golden stool. Our more paramount
chiefs
in Ghana
than
any stool
in this country. Matisse said it's 77.
Baby, the crab account. Now, Mamma Sanama Bio, Miss Sanama history. I am saying that Asante Asanteman, I wish I can minister about YouTube. Now come on for money.
Yes.
Asanteman, the golden stool. Our more paramount stools in Bono region than any chief in Ghana. Mero Windano. Mra.
Aye.
Mra.
Aye.
Bono no sa papa. Mra. Asante hene. Asanteman. The occupant of golden stool. Our more paramount stools in Bono region than any stool in Ghana, than any president in Ghana. What? Bono region.
Yes. Bono region kwa. Yes.
Our Japekrum.
Or Japekrum.
Our Sekwa.
Or Sekwa.
Our Sampa.
Or Sampa.
Or Kwachuma.
Or Kwachuma.
Our Wiadumase.
Wiadumase.
Our Sekwa.
Or Sekwa. Yes.
Our Krankwaja. Our Menje. What I say? Our Bana.
Bana.
Our Nchara.
Okay. Na brekum nyama hene.
Our brekum.
Okay.
Endorse into Krabi.
Okay.
Ora pekra yenyi Krankwaja. Yenyi Menye. Yenyi Namasa. Yenyi Nchara function because they are mine hene.
Okay.
Let's concentrate on mine.
Mine hene.
Our brekum. Our Sekwa.
Or Sekwa.
Our Japekrum.
Japekrum.
Our Sampa.
Sampa.
Our Bana.
Bana.
Our Wiadumase. Naka sunyani so ka ho.
Okay.
Anya benso.
Yes.
Na mo nka kira se akonya bai na waga na ha won ai chane Asante hene. Wo ka be pese obeka.
Wow.
Wo ka be pese obeka. People hate to hear the truth. People don't want to hear the truth. People are running from the truth. Madam Timber be me your lawyer, I'm saying historian. Me dia me can. Na no me can mati. Makasa tia bi. Me betra ma di hene bi atam.
Dabi.
Ma ya hene bi. Ma tope. Ma kan pipi asam.
Dabi.
Ma kan dis asam.
Dabi.
Ma kan si pipi asam.
Dabi.
Ma kan ba sra asam. Nye nguro me ya na me ko.
Oko oye Roman ni.
Answer in time cook.
Zo lawyer yako. Yako.
So now let's come to the Bono East.
Yes, Bono East region.
Bono East region. Paramount Stools.
Yes.
Tanoso is a paramount stool.
Tanoso ye paramount stool. Okay.
Kwashe LI 2409.
Okay.
Legislative
instrument.
Passed in 2020.
Okay.
2409.
2409.
Tanoso.
Okay.
A paramount stool.
Okay.
Trobodom. A paramount stool. Tanobuase. A paramount stool. Ofumai. A paramount stool. They all own allegiance to the golden stool.
Nkranza. Nkokrane miensa.
Nkokrane miensa. Bafu pimpim. Bafu pimpim from Makom. No call a kumsadomase. No call conye. No wa abenapa. No or namwa or beso or spreading in Krufo. No call pien kokram miensa so. No benire. Benima. Ben kwan ba miensa beto. Abere nkokram miensa we de munu. Na fra no nkokram miensa nkranza. Dem kranza bafu pimpim ya Makom ni. So when the people of Abako make us and Kokurami and Sankunya, what is wrong about that? Should there be any debate? Should there be any discussion? What about Unim
Chubodomai?
Good.
Why in the Benya second teach Reguachi and Quani say one Pimsika Bobano? Obinya Sabian Kobe. Obinya Sabian Kobe.
Pray for God's guidance, continued guidance for you, Otumfuo. The love of nation, and when we talk nation, you know I'm not talking exclusively of Asante, I'm talking of Ghana. Your love for Ghana should be deepened and so strong. Your entire service, you were born to serve, should be rendered for the progress of Ghana. You are supportive of the governments that have come. And I'm happy the current president, your friend, even from before you're assuming the monarchy of Asante, I know the current president was your lawyer and your friend. Your support for him, and not only him, even across the political divide, your friendship with people in the other parties. Please continue like that and continue to be relevant to the progress and development of our nation. Continue to be a human being. Please, Nana, I know you haven't allowed yourself to be power consumed. You've got everything to be drunken on power, but you haven't shown it. 20 years. I pray you live to 100 without getting power drunk. Just continue to be human, love humanity, love your nation, and love progress. And please be there for, I'm including myself, as old as I am, be there for all of us. And I'm sure God will continue to bless you and fulfill you. I wish you well. Long live Otumfuo, long live Ghana, and long live Ghana.
I'm going to call you to Temple. The man was saying, was Otumfuo in your camp. Otumfuo in your camp, they are saying, on one your hand. Ona naji membedu se o fa no so ona naji membedu no o se Otumfuo ase no onya mahen o mahen otumi ko se o mahen fufuru bi ase kin na o ko se na ase e na o te wo ho na ne o ko te ho na se walu super priority a o be se o do wa fufuru ba furu Otumfuo na o manfo ka se woni ede do mahen me ka kiro obi ka kiro se woni ede ani pakro odada so ji usika tumrika na ko ji usika Otumfuo nya hen kitwa Ghana ha no kwa no he otumi bo ma hen hye na se na o do ma amahe egu no o do ma hen ho na o chen no na o che ba Asanteman ha amahe egu no o beto so sei a o do wa fufuru ko furu Otumfuo o ga zo wa ve no Otumfuo fi o ma hen bi ti set pa ma hen o yenim diefo o won bi na ni so bie kasacha kolakura breno wasi kasachi nipa sa breno wasi se Otumfuo ase your mind it is asokore mahin Professor SKB Asante. He was the chairman of 1992 constitution in Ghana. He was appointed by United Nations organization. He worked there for so long. Onokura breno wasi se Otumfuo ase yo hini bi tisa na nkansa bodu mahin nzimama mahin wonu bi video do buoni ambrase ye she Otumfuo ase yo mahin bi tisa so ai mampon hene asante mampon hene no a former registrar our KNUSC or retire what azana okodi akonya bro 20 years and above o brano ho she Otumfuo ase yo hini bi tise ai Asante achim bompata mahene onso no edma on na United Nations obrano wase e de she Otumfuo ase o hini bi tise asokore mampo hene o hini bi a obrano wase o yenim diefo obrano wase she Otumfuo ase do mahene mi hu se wo kwado so obesa besum
Asantefuo dia na obi abuafu.
Ejiri se ade a wo hwe ye ofe pa yi ne wani enso age ho nti wo twan de share e ma onu bi enso enya bi hwe in case of say wo pese wo hwe on other platforms nso abetumi ahwe e wo YouTube abetumi ahwe nso e wo Facebook Twitter Instagram so YouTube here na de bia ahwe nso a don't forget to subscribe to this channel after dey important and say bushia be share this video share now onu bi enso eje bi enhwe share like this video share me akini mini bedi nkwe be share on our next update.
Emunua keni an bebrenu ani medada ni won komo kitwa bi ho hia me pa saa na me yehwe so se ho be hia won so ensem tia wa bi pe itimame wi a America krabi de edi kan eda obi ase a waso ye K1ng Ghana mu a waso me mu especially on a TikTok emi adom wankasa onwane odonti yene na mo 100,000 that is 10% of 1 million people even ebi say gusompo ana e follow yen ana mo di echi e wo ye TikTok saa wodo ye anso na mo yi kire me e wo ye Facebook ade me pese mo hunu ni ade srede ye ho wonfaso ene say afi maybe a YouTube account a monopa the content a woman could endure baby I feel near deba. There were a lot of beautiful packages I did break Ghana for one money media when him said the Messia Meduma and unti see me for when it video be a baby out and intimate share what dear back person yet here was your for hey YouTube hey my rem fee said best subscribe the channel way amame I'm when him said the Messia Meduma video in this soft ma obi ani je ho we ya busuankuo foforo a ye ti ne YouTube hanti no channel ya abofra afi na wonyini mesre wo se be ka me ho ne nyini hade ye ne nso nka ho se de maboa ama ene TikTok ye woni padodo be almost 10% of over a million people na follow you on TikTok amanam saa so eye bi kire me e wo ye Facebook no subscribe channel wo so ma me nemum de hia ne se wo subscribe wi a e ma wo mfisa adoma na da subscription ne nchen no wo de won sa be boso na wa choose all nim se details ne ne kwani nyina hwehwa na de abramo ebie mu nso ha YouTube haye se na bia wo be di kan na won sa ka video bia me de be bia enti no sa sere obi wo se wo subscribe wi a e ma wo mfisa se wo de won sa be bo adoma na da subscription ne nchen na wa choose all no ye nyina busua we brade be kam ho ne nyini we so enka ne ya dada no within the ken the cultural content I dey be go YouTube ha no ano dancing di munim dada no afi na afi ye bebe radio mu odro ni ye sure so woni mi se me de meye ma ko hwe no kure no afi tifini apue ni anafo abro odra no ma wonti monu ya ken ni subscribe sponsor bo adoma no choose all afi share video yi e mani padodo bebre na won so nya bi hwe ni mu se manu asi we de kia subscribe kra dada e de won sa bo adoma no so e choose all no within the ken no we dey kra e be se share on our next video
K1 boy Juma we dey Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic so you see commentary no news in the bar so you see commentary for home we so good keep on going
and the style also the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted undi atemni that's how be kind it's so painful I know shit I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and we maybe I also train free there, but it's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1 modern. K1 will try pa.
K1 boy Juma we dey Jacob so now see commentary or social media no style of blogging fantastic so you see commentary no news in the bar so you see commentary for home we so good keep on going
and the style also the ebema other tribe aflow unyi sorted undi atemni that's how be kind it's so painful I know shit I don't know say commentary like or you as a presenter sports presenter that they are and we maybe I also train free there, but it's all good. Oh yeah, dear. K1 modern. K1 will try pa.